Okay guys, today is going to be a really fun day. We're actually driving to Timberline Lodge on Mount Hood. Somebody called us and they said that they lost their keys while they were skiing or snowboarding, and they lost the keys to their car. It's a 2012 Subaru Forester. It is a high security key with a separate remote, and they want a new set, so they need one transponder key and one remote programmed to their Subaru. And we're driving there right now. It's going to be a fun project because we'll have to most likely leash the door lock and then decode it, and then we'll have to cut the key, reset the computer on the car, program the transponder key, and after that we're gonna be able to program the remote. So we're out here on Timberline Lodge, and I started to leash the door to unlock it, and then I have to decode it to get the key cut. And we actually tried to unlock the door, the back door.